What it do, fam? It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Let me get this nice and precise for ya. All right, found the bikes. Got some junk back there, but we also have a Yamaha, what is that? 600? Possibly a 600, could be a 9. All right, got a cruiser back there. Hope y'all can see that. Maybe that's better. What is that? I can't even see it. Somebody did something. Oh, it's a Honda. A little Honda 200, something like that. I don't know what it is, but got your scooters out here as well. Then your choppers and your cruisers in the back. Now, they don't have all the bikes out here today. However, they're going to bring, I don't know, 10 to 15 more. So I just wanted to let y'all know, hey, man, we're out here at Sierra Auction. They got some really good deals. Everything from go-karts, golf carts, to boats, to cars, to trucks, to buses, emergency vehicles. They got a little bit of everything. And, you know, hey, that bass boat right there looks pretty dang good. Wonder how much that's gonna go for. Yeah, I could see myself in that action. Y'all know how I do it, man, when we're out there catching them big mouth, small mouth, big mouth. Yeah, get it in for real. All right, guys, so check them out. You know, got a party barge back there, pontoon. Got a speedboat. That one looks pretty nice. All right, guys. Come on down, man. And if you need any information whatsoever, hit me up. I just copped something from the auction just recently. So we got a couple vehicles for sale. You can always hit us up at arizonaridersclub.com. And it is your man T from AZ. Hoping that you ride with me. I'm out.